Papers to be laid on the table, Sri Ramdas Atwale.
Respected Chairman, sir, I lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Sri Nityanand Roy.
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यावली में क्रमांक संख्या 2 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Sri Nityanand Roy, second.
महोदय, मैं अपने सहयोगी श्री अजय कुमार मिश्रा जी की ओर से आज की संशोधित कार्यावली में क्रमांक संख्या 3 पर उनके नाम के सम्मुख उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ। श्रीमती प्रतिमा भौमिक।
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रमांक संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल में रखती हूँ।
डॉक्टर सुभाष सरकार।
महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यावली सूची की क्रम संख्या 5 पर मेरे नाम के आगे उल्लिखित दस्तावेजों को मैं इस सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
डॉक्टर मुंजपरा महेंद्र भाई।
Respected sir, with your kind permission, I wish to lay on the table of the House paper listed against my name at serial number 6 of today's revised list of business.
Chairman, not Speaker. Reports of the department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Srimati Vandana Chauhan.
Thank you, sir. So with your permission, I rise to present 10 reports in English and Hindi of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment, Forests and Climate Change. 1. 348th report on action taken by the government on recommendations, observations contained in 316th report on air pollution in Delhi and National Capital Region. 349th report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in 324th report on status of forests in India. 350th report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in 325th report on an expanded role for the Department of Atomic Energy in cancer treatment in India through an enlarged network of the Tata Memorial Center. 351st report on the action taken by the government on the recommendation observations contained in 341st report on the demands for grants 202122 of the Department of Atomic Energy. 352nd report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations observations contained in 342nd report on the demands for grant 2021-22 of the Department of Biotechnology. 353rd report on the action taken by the department on the recommendation observations contained in 343rd report on the demands for grant 202122 of the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. 354th report on the action taken by the department on the recommendation observations contained in 344th report on the demands for grant 2021-22 of the Department of Science and Technology. 355th report on the action taken by the department on the recommendations, observations contained in 345th report on the demands for grants 2021-22 of the Department of Space. 356th report on the action taken by the government on the recommendation observations contained in 346th report on the demands for grants 2021-22 of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and 357th report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in 347th report on the demands for grant 2021-22 of the Ministry of Earth Sciences.
Good. 10 reports.
Thank you, sir.
I compliment the chairman and the members of the committee and hope that everybody
Thank you, sir.
does this. Reports of the department-led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Communication and Information Technology. Dr. Anil Agarwal.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I wish to lay the 26th, 27th...
You raise, na? You raise. Raise to lay.
Yes. Thank you, sir. 28th and 31st reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Communication and Information Technology as listed against my name. Thank you.
Statements of Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemical and Fertilizer, Dr. G.C. Chandrasekhar.
Sir, I used to lay the Hindi and English version of the 3 final action taken statement of the Standing Committee on Chemical and Fertilizers as listed against my name in today's business list. Thank you, sir.
Statement by Minister Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti.
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लिखित ग्रामीण विकास विभाग संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 46वें प्रतिवेदन और चौथे प्रतिवेदन के संबंध में समिति द्वारा की गई विभिन्न सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की वर्तमान स्थिति सदन के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करती हूँ।
डॉक्टर सुभाष सरकार।
आपकी अनुमति से आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यावली सूची पर उल्लिखित मेरे कैबिनेट मंत्री श्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी के नाम के सामने इलाहाबाद विश्वविद्यालय के लिए निर्वाचन के प्रस्ताव को मैं सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
मोशन मूड। Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. The announcement by the chair. I have to inform members that a letter has been received from Sri Maharaja Shanaji Samba, member stating that he is unable to attend the first 10 sittings of the session of Rajya Sabha. That is from November 10th, December 2021 due to health grounds. Does he have the permission of the House remaining absent from 29th November to December 23rd during the current session of Rajya Sabha? There is the permission, na? Yes. Permission to remain absent is granted. I cannot allow this. I cannot allow this. This will not go on record. And I hope that this will be shown to the people what is being done in this house. It is a sacrilege of the house. I have said there is no remorse. There is no remorse of the members who have really insulted parliamentary system, coming to the well of the house, climbing on the table, throwing the papers, snatching papers from the minister, and then also here challenging the chair, doing everything which is unparliamentary, undemocratic, and they have no remorse. What can we do? This is not the way. These placards will not be shown, should not be brought into the house. I advise the members, if you are determined, you don't want to have zero over very important issues. 10 important issues are there, special mentions are there. You don't want special mentions, you don't want zero over, you don't want house to run. Crores of rupees are being spent on this house and people are getting dismayed for what is happening in this house. The Arnav Singh Yadav need to bring conduct. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Why are you wasting your energy?
देश के अत्यंत नामी ग्रामी विधि शिक्षण संस्थानों में विधि शिक्षा प्राप्त करने की इच्छा रखने वाले कमजोर वर्ग के छात्रों के साथ भाषा के आधार पर हो रहे अन्याय की ओर सदन और सरकार का ध्यान आकर्षित करता है। माननीय देश के अंदर कुछ संस्थान हैं जिनमें विधि शिक्षा में प्रवेश लेने हेतु प्रवेश परीक्षा केवल अंग्रेजी इन शिक्षण संस्थानों में प्रवेश अंग्रेजी भाषा न जानने वाले छात्रों को